and we're going to ask for the horizontal axis. And the same thing goes for the vertical. Let's just ask for that vertical value, and we're going to say if, well, let's just do a transform dot position. So the position of the cube, and we're going to do a plus equals, so get the position and add on to that a new vector 3. So just like the rotation, we're getting the current position, we're adding a little bit more onto that. And we just want to, in the x value, let's put the horizontal input and multiply that by, and let's scratch the multiplication for now, but and for the y-axis, we're going to send in the vertical input, and we'll just do 0 on the z-axis. So back in Unity now, if I look at the box and I push up and down, there we go. Whoops, it's moving in the, well, it's moving what looks to me like the Z. So I just need to move my camera, but that looks a little better. So now if I look at the box, it's going up and down, and it's, so I'll just modify these values a tiny bit to say multiply that by 0.1 because they're moving really fast. And so now (0.1f), those are float values. So now the so there we go. I got the input with the keyboard, and I can also rotate it by doing the fire 1 input. So the question is, you know, this is all great, but what about running this on my phone? So I'm going to go into build settings and switch the platform to Android. It's going to make you do a couple things in the player settings. You need to change your bundle identifier. So I'm going to put interface games test CB control. And then let's build and run. So I'm going to create a new folder called builds, and test CB control.apk. We're going to build this. So on my phone I have my it's probably hard to see here, but my Moga is already connected. So you'll see on my Moga controller, I have it into B mode, and it's connected to my phone. And I've told Unity to just go ahead and build this to my to the phone. So if everything's working, when I push my